This is the Pioneer in beautiful silver. This is a beautiful two-layer multi-tool knife. It's got a beautiful finish. Engraving plate on the back. So, what does this beautiful multi-tool have to offer? There's a large blade, can opener, small flathead, large flathead, cap remover and wire stripper, and last but not least, the awl. This is ideal for putting holes in the leather and puncturing cans. So that's the Pioneer, another high quality tool from Victorinox, stunning silver and Swiss made. I really like these. They come in all different colours. The colours will usually set you back a lot more, whereas these are just fine the way they are. Great value for money. In fact, amazing value for money. So yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and take care.